Hello and welcome to the 8th Quality Skills Alliance Apprenticeship Awards. Well, I think we can all agree this is a bit different from last year, where we all gathered in the atrium at Cardiff and Vale College's city centre campus to celebrate the success and achievements of the QSA's apprentices. And this year, as with most things that are happening at the moment, we're having to do it virtually. But I would still like to extend a very warm welcome to the QSA family, the apprentices, employers, training providers, staff, business partners, and most importantly of all, the award winners, their families and their friends. It's going to be a very special night, albeit a bit different. We are here to celebrate the resilience, the hard work and outstanding impact our apprentices and employers make across the Cardiff and Vale community. Now, before we start this evening's awards presentation, I would like to invite the Principal of Cardiff and Vale College Group and the Chair of the QSA, Kay Martin, to say a few words.
Hello and welcome to this year's slightly different QSA Awards this evening. This last year has been truly like no other. Although we can't celebrate in person tonight, it felt more important than ever to take a moment and recognise the achievements of our apprentices and employers, and enable your families, friends and QSA staff who've supported you to be part of this evening too. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your hard work and dedication and to congratulate all of tonight's winners. I hope you are sitting comfortably at home with a glass of something nice or a cup of tea. Before we get started with the awards, I'd like to introduce Alan Mackey, Head of Work-Based Learning, to say a few words about the QSA.
Noswaith. Good evening everyone. The QSA is unique, a consortia of 19 training providers working together to develop excellence in apprenticeships and supporting individuals to start their careers. Delivering 46 apprenticeship routes covering 11 different sectors, including automotive, creative and digital media, financial services, health and social care, management and sport, to name just a few. Working with more than 1,000 employers and over 2,000 apprentices in the past 12 months in both the public and private sectors, from small local businesses to large global organisations across Wales and beyond, with the best success rates in the sector, winning national awards with our apprentices winning a variety of Welsh and UK industry skills competitions and awards. These are all fantastic achievements, and our providers and apprentices should be very proud. Tonight is all about a group of very special individuals, and we are here to celebrate their success and achievements. So without further ado, I'll hand back to Ross for this evening's award presentation. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Thank you very much, Alan. Now then, we're going to begin this evening with our Sector Awards, celebrating apprentices who've achieved within their field across the employment sector. And our first award this evening is for the Automotive Body Repair Apprentice of the Year. And the award goes to Thomas Venn. Now, Thomas is a valued member of staff at Fordthorne and quickly proved his skills were above and beyond what was expected of him. Thomas can keep up with the senior techs and has an exemplary attendance record and always gives his college work 100%. Now, our next award is for Automotive Heavy Vehicle Repair. And the winner is João Camacho. Now, João's employer said they are exceptionally grateful and proud to have an apprentice as hard-working and keen to learn as João. From his short time in S&K Haulage, it's clear to see he has a very bright future ahead of him. Our final automotive award for Light Vehicle Repair, and the winner is Ethan Harris. Ethan has surpassed even the highest of expectations over the last 12 months of his employment. His employer, Euro Performance, describes him as the best apprentice ever. He is unfazed by all of the mechanical and electrical tasks he set and possesses a real appetite to succeed. Next, I'm delighted to present the Business Administration Award, and the winner is Kerry Thomas. Kerry has an amazing attitude towards work and is enthusiastic in her approach in Welsh Parliament. Kerry always delivers work to a high standard and has settled quickly into a new role in the finance team. The next award then is for Construction Apprentice of the Year, and the award goes to Leah Emery. Leah is a model student who's motivated to tackle any challenge that comes up at her work and within her academic studies. Leah produces work of a very high standard and is on track to achieve top grades throughout her modules. Moving on, the next award is for the Creative Industries, and the winner is Miriam Barker. Miriam is a champion for diversity, committed to reaching out to those on the margins of our society and making sure their voices are heard. Miriam is described by her employer as a tour de force and has achieved national news coverage with several of her articles published on the BBC website. Our next award is for Electrotechnical, and the winner is Logan Quantuck, a triple award winner published in the Professional Electrician Magazine Awards. Logan is an excellent apprentice with an eagerness to learn and determination to succeed. He is highly skilled and entrusted to lead his own small projects at work. His employer describes him as one of the best apprentices they've ever had the pleasure of working with. And the next award is for Engineering, and the winner is Rhys Davis. Rhys completed his NVQ in engineering to a very high standard and progressed onto the HNC in mechanical engineering. He is a dedicated and valued member of the team at General Dynamics, who fully applies himself and is sure to succeed in the sector. Now, our next award winner has excelled in financial services, and the winner is Rhys Dow. Rhys has shown the utmost dedication and commitment to his apprenticeship from the start, completing all the work on time and exceeding the Level 2 requirements. He successfully applied for a new role in the risk analysis team, which he started earlier this year, while remaining committed to finishing his apprenticeship. And the next award is for Health and Social Care, and the winner is Anthony Roberts. Anthony excelled in completing his core qualification with very high scores. He has outstanding knowledge and skills and can put these into practice. Anthony is currently in an acting role as a senior support worker. He continues to embrace learning and development and shares best practice with other colleagues. And our next award this evening is for ICT, and the winner is Lauren Martin. Now, Lauren completed the apprenticeship within 12 months and was dedicated and driven from the very start. Lauren was very committed to her studies and her work. Since completing the apprenticeship, she is developing her managerial skills within her organisation. And the next award is for management, and the winner of this one is Jessica Peterson. Jess is proactive and keen to learn. She's worked hard to develop conversational Welsh skills, and while studying has a great knowledge of Welsh language policy. Jess has progressed from Level 3 to complete Level 4 and is now studying Level 5 for her foundation qualification. The next category is plumbing, and the winner of the plumbing award is Owain Jones. Owain is a confident, knowledgeable and bright learner who is on track to progress onto Level 3. Owain is a mature, conscientious individual who outside of his studies spends time volunteering at a Welsh community farm supporting adults with learning disabilities. The next award then is for sport, and the sport award winner is Eli King. Eli is a role model to members of the CCFC Academy, and as the captain of the under-18s team, he led the team to their third victory in the FA Youth Cup. Eli has worked hard to achieve his Level 3 qualification at distinction level and has successfully completed his Level 2 coaching badge. And our final sector award is for Sustainable Resource Management, and the winner is Jamie Morgan. Jamie has overcome many barriers to succeed in his apprenticeship. He's hardworking, dedicated, and someone who fully commits himself to his endeavours. He's a credit to the industry and is sure to be a great success. So that concludes our sector awards this evening. Congratulations to all of our very worthy award winners. Your award will be sent to you at home in a few weeks' time. And don't forget to share a photo and tag us in all of your award pictures celebrating with your friends and family, and use the hashtag QSA Awards 2021. We now move on to our cross-sector awards, starting with the Higher Apprentice Award. And the winner of the Higher Apprentice Award is Delith Lewis. Delith, a youth parliament manager, has been integral in setting up the first Welsh Youth Parliament, collaborating with organisations to support 60 youth members in their work. Delith won the Passion Award in the Welsh Parliament Recognition Scheme and successfully completed her higher apprenticeship in management to a very high standard. The next award is for the Junior Apprentice of the Year, and the winner is Jacob Wyatt. From the outset, Jacob engaged fully in all aspects of the programme. He successfully completed his Junior Apprentice programme and Maths and English GCSEs, and has now progressed onto a post-16 carpentry course and is focused on achieving a successful career in the construction industry. I'm now delighted to present the Role Model Award, which is awarded to past apprentices who are setting a positive example in the workplace for current and future apprentices to aspire to. And our first Role Model of the year is Pooja Chaya. Pooja completed her business administration apprenticeship with Deloitte in 2020, moving to Cardiff to begin her studies at just 17. Pooja was very active in supporting her colleagues and new apprentices and was promoted at Deloitte upon completion of her apprenticeship. Pooja now acts as a mentor to the next generation of apprentices. Our second Role Model of the year is Naseem Gezlad. Naseem quickly progressed on completion of his electrical apprenticeship from working for his father's small business to working for large contractors on complex sites. Naseem has now left his employer and formed his own company, Amrock Electrical, where he has recruited and trained an electrical apprentice to follow in his footsteps. Naseem sets an amazing example to future apprentices and has achieved so much at just 24 years of age. So the final category in this section is the Work-Based Learning Practitioner of the Year Awards, presented to individuals who've gone the extra mile to support apprentices and who've made an outstanding contribution to the sector. The first of our Work-Based Learning Practitioner of the Year Award goes to Lydia Harries. Lydia has worked for JGR Training for 10 years, working her way up from assessor to compliance manager to manager of her department. Lydia's knowledge is extensive, she's always supportive of her learners and keen to take on new challenges, such as managing essential skills delivery on behalf of the organisation. Lydia continues to set a great example to apprentices and colleagues by working towards her ILM Level 4 diploma. The second of our Work-Based Learning Practitioner of the Year awards goes to Helen Kingman. Helen is a credit to the Work-Based Learning team. She's expertly navigated her learners through the transition into remote working and meets challenges with resilience, coming up with innovative ways to overcome issues and setbacks. Helen always has her learners' best interests and well-being at heart and goes above and beyond to offer students expert pastoral care. We now move on to our Employer Awards. Now, the QSA, as we all know, works with a vast network of more than 1,000 businesses and employers and would like to take this opportunity to recognise just some of those for their outstanding commitment to work-based learning. So the first of our Employer Awards goes to CMB Engineering. CMB Engineering are passionate about the education of their apprentices and proactive in developing their practical skills. CMB recently invested in a state-of-the-art workshop to enable apprentices to work with experienced craftsmen. They're passionate about supporting mental health in the workplace, with staff travelling to construction sites to talk with apprentices and their colleagues about their mental health and supporting them with any concerns. Our next Employer Award goes to Welsh Parliament. The Welsh Parliament commits itself to exceptional support to apprentices, providing mentors from a range of job roles within the organisation. Apprentices receive weekly Welsh language classes and are supported through regular workshops and feedback. To further emphasise their commitment to apprenticeship provision, staff have been encouraged to enrol onto courses to support their career progression, demonstrating their commitment to learning and development. So many congratulations to all our Employer Award winners and a heartfelt thank you for all the outstanding work you continue to do for the apprentices. Now then, for our final award of the evening, the QSA Apprentice of the Year. The winner of this award has been chosen from all of our previous category winners and is awarded to an apprentice whose achievements best reflect the QSA's values, whether through achievement, attitude or progression. And the best thing about this one is they have no idea that they've been chosen. It is a genuine surprise. So to present this award, would you please welcome Chair of the CAVC Group, Geraint Evans.
Good evening, everyone. Noswaith dda. This person has excelled in their sector, giving a voice to those who have been marginalised by society, standing up for diversity, and highlighting equality and injustice to be a catalyst for change. She's given up much of her own time and made sacrifices to ensure the truth is shared for the benefit of others. It gives me great pleasure to announce that the 2021 QSA Apprentice of the Year is Miriam Barker.
Thank you very much, Geraint, and many, many congratulations to Miriam. Well, that's it then for this year's QSA Apprenticeship Awards. Please don't forget to share your photos, your thoughts, and congratulations with all our award winners on social media. And make sure you tag us in your posts using the hashtag QSA Awards 2021. We hope you've enjoyed the evening. It's been a bit of a different one this year. Fingers crossed we'll all be back where we belong in the atrium this time next year. Thank you, though, for joining us for this very different QSA Awards, and a final warm congratulations to all of our winners.